Welcome to this deep dive into the dual pillars of modern technology, artificial intelligence and data science. For the tech-savvy professional, these terms are often used interchangeably, yet they represent distinct philosophies, methodologies, and outcomes. In this exploration, we will dismantle the popular misconceptions that blur the lines between these fields. Data science is the multidisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, and algorithms to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. Conversely, artificial intelligence is the broader concept of machines being able to carry out tasks in a way that we would consider smart. Whilst they overlap significantly, particularly within the realm of machine learning, their strategic intents are fundamentally different. Today, we shall analyze how data science informs human decision-making through complex analysis, while AI seeks to emulate human cognition to automate those very decisions. Understanding this nuance is crucial for anyone looking to navigate the current digital landscape, whether you are an early adopter of new software or an engineer building the next generation of hardware. Data science is the modern evolution of statistics and data analysis, tailored for the era of big data. It is an insight engine designed to find patterns and hidden stories within vast datasets. At its heart, data science is governed by the 4 V's: volume, velocity, variety, and veracity. Data scientists use these dimensions to transform raw, noisy data into actionable business intelligence. The process involves sophisticated data mining, predictive modeling, and data visualization to help organizations understand what has happened and why it might happen again. Unlike a standard software program, a data science model is built to be exploratory. It doesn't just execute a command, it tests a hypothesis. Whether it is identifying trends in consumer behavior or optimizing a logistical supply chain, data science provides the empirical evidence required for strategic pivots. It is the bridge between raw digital noise and clear, evidence-based direction, ensuring that human leaders are equipped with the most accurate representations of reality possible. If data science is about understanding, artificial intelligence is about action. AI is the science of making machines mimic human intelligence and cognitive functions, such as learning, reasoning, and problem-solving. This field is split into 2 primary categories: narrow AI, which is designed to perform a specific task like facial recognition, and general AI, or AGI, which remains a theoretical goal of creating a machine with human-level intelligence across all domains. The intelligence engine focuses on autonomy. An AI system takes an input, processes it through a logic-based framework or a neural network, and produces an output that mimics a human response. This might be a chatbot responding to a query, or an autonomous vehicle navigating a busy London street. The goal of AI is not necessarily to provide a report for a human to read, but to create a system that can operate independently within its environment. It is about building agents that can sense, think, and act without constant human intervention. To truly grasp the difference between these 2 fields, we must look at their core objectives. The primary output of data science is insight. It is descriptive and diagnostic, aiming to inform a human operator so they can make a better informed choice. For instance, a data science report might show that 70% of users drop off at a specific stage of a digital checkout. In contrast, the primary output of artificial intelligence is action. It is prescriptive and autonomous. An AI system in that same checkout scenario might automatically offer a personalized discount or change the interface in real time to prevent the user from leaving. While data science provides the why, AI provides the what next. One is a tool for the analyst, the other is a tool for the actor. This distinction is vital for businesses to understand when investing in technology. Do you need to understand your data better, or do you need your systems to work more independently? The technical stack for these disciplines, while sharing some common ground, diverges as you move toward specialization. Data science is heavily reliant on languages and tools built for statistical analysis and data manipulation. SQL is the bedrock for data retrieval, while R and Python, specifically libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn, are used for modeling. Data scientists often work in environments like Jupyter Notebooks and use visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI to present their findings. On the other hand, AI engineering requires a focus on performance, deployment, and complex architectures. While Python remains dominant, AI developers often dive into C++ for high-performance computing or use frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch for building deep learning models. Furthermore, the hardware requirements differ. While data science can often run on standard CPUs for many tasks, AI training frequently demands the parallel processing power of GPUs or specialized TPUs to handle the billions of parameters in a modern neural network. The most common source of confusion between data science and AI is machine learning, because ML is a subset of AI that serves as a primary tool for data science. Machine learning is the bridge where the two disciplines meet. It involves training algorithms on a dataset so the system can make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed for every scenario. In data science, ML is used to find complex patterns and build predictive models that can forecast future trends. In AI, ML is the mechanism that allows the system to learn from its environment and improve its autonomous performance over time. Whether you are using supervised learning to categorize emails or reinforcement learning to teach a robot to walk, you are operating in this overlap. Machine learning takes the statistical foundations of data science and applies the iterative, goal-oriented nature of AI. It is the engine room of the modern digital revolution, powering everything from recommendation algorithms to medical diagnostics. The life cycle of a project in these fields reveals their differing priorities. In data science, a significant portion of the workflow, often cited as 80%, is dedicated to data cleaning and feature engineering. This is the arduous process of ensuring the data is accurate, consistent, and relevant before any analysis begins. The end goal is a validated model that provides clear answers to business questions. In the AI workflow, while data quality is still paramount, the focus shifts toward model architecture, training, and deployment. AI engineers spend more time on hyperparameter tuning, ensuring the model scales effectively in a live environment, and managing the inference stage, where the model acts on new, unseen data. While the data science pipeline ends with the presentation of findings, the AI pipeline ends with a deployed agent that continues to run and evolve. It is a transition from the scientific method of experimentation to the engineering method of building and maintaining a functional system. Let's look at how these differences manifest in the real world. A data science project might analyze customer data for a UK telecoms provider and discover that a specific demographic is likely to leave. This results in a report showing a 20% churn reduction potential if certain offers are made. This is insight leading to a human strategy. In contrast, an AI application in the same company might be a facial recognition system for security, which operates with 99.9% accuracy. This system doesn't produce a report for a human to review every time someone walks through a door. It simply grants or denies access autonomously. Other examples include data science being used for market trend analysis and crop yield forecasting, whereas AI powers self-driving cars, real-time language translation, and generative art tools. One optimizes existing human processes through better information. The other creates entirely new capabilities by automating intelligence itself. For those looking to enter these fields, the career paths are distinct. A data scientist typically comes from a background in mathematics, statistics, or economics. They are storytellers who use data to persuade and inform. Their key skills include statistical hypothesis testing, data storytelling, and business acumen. On the flip side, an AI engineer usually has a stronger background in computer science and software engineering. They are builders who are concerned with code efficiency, algorithm latency, and system integration. While a data scientist asks, "What does this data tell us?" an AI engineer asks, "How can I make this system perform this task better?" In the UK tech sector, both roles are in high demand, but they require different mindsets. Data scientists need to be comfortable with ambiguity and exploration, whereas AI engineers need to be obsessed with precision and the robust deployment of code in production environments. As we conclude our journey through the divergent yet intersecting paths of AI and data science, it becomes clear that these are not rival disciplines, but rather complementary forces. Data science provides the eyes to see and the wisdom to understand the world through numbers, while artificial intelligence provides the hands to act and the mind to automate. Looking ahead, the integration of these fields will be the primary driver of the next industrial revolution, often called Industry 4.0. For the tech-savvy professional, the challenge is no longer choosing one over the other, but rather mastering the interface where they meet. Whether you are optimizing a supply chain or training a large language model, the synergy of data-driven insights and autonomous logic will define the boundaries of what is possible in our digital age. The future belongs to those who can bridge the gap between understanding the data and building the intelligence that lives within it.